welcome to my YouTube channel. Please, if this is your first time here, kindly subscribe. So today I will show you how to apply for ICCR Scholarship. This is a government scholarship from India. It is a fully funded scholarship. So please let's read these guidelines. Please read this guideline before registration. The information entered by students should be sincerely filled. If details entered by the student at any stage of the admission process are found incorrect and does not match with the original document, or entries in duplicate are found, the admission of the student will be stand cancelled. So you have to take care of this place. You don't need to duplicate or make multiple accounts. Creating one account is only okay. So I will demonstrate how to apply for this scholarship to you in this video step by step. First of all, you are coming to this login page, and after you come to this login page, you have to locate your sign up and then sign up here and read these guidelines, you understand, for you to avoid some errors. After that, you see the information entered by students should be sincerely fit, so you should take your time and make sure you apply it. Okay, as I say, I will just demonstrate how to apply for it. Okay, so let's say I am a male. Okay, let me choose Mr. Gender, I am male. Okay, you understand. Then I choose my nationality here. So I'm from Nigeria. Okay, let me locate Nigeria. I fill it here. So my date of birth, I will just like make some random date of birth, you understand. So it's just demonstration. Then you will like put your mobile number, uh, you see, just as a demonstration. And then make sure you select your country code. If you are from Nigeria, make it plus 234. If you are from India, you make it 91. Depending on the country you are, then you just come and enter your email. You understand? And this place, you're going to enter your name. Let's say my name is Ibrahim, my middle name is Abubakar, you understand? And then your last name is Miringa. Then you put your name accordingly. So parent details, this place will be like father, mother, or your guardian, you understand? So you'll just put your father's name here. Then you come here and put your father's name, and then father's middle name, and then father's last name. So when you came here, you have to put your passport number. Let's say this is my passport number, and then your citizenship, your unique ID. So what does this citizenship or unique ID means? This means you are putting your national identity number here. Let's just demonstrate it. Okay, after you put here applying for, okay, so if you are applying for undergraduate, thank God you can apply from 18 years to 40, you understand. Likewise, if you are applying for masters, also 18 to 40 years, PhD up to 50 years. So we are applying for EG. If you are applying for PG, then you select PG. So then you create your password here. It's very easy, you understand. Just create something you won't forget, and then you enter same what you applied for already, and then come here and select your document, you understand. Let's say your passport or something like that, and so come here and select your passport PDF. And then currently staying in India, then you say no, you understand, because you are not staying in India. So this place, I think my network is not good, but there is a captcha here. So then you like write the captcha, and then make sure you submit it. So for me not to submit the wrong application, as I told you earlier, this is for just demonstration. I will click on this submit. So by God grace, tomorrow I will provide you with the video on the next stage. So kindly share, like, and subscribe for more information, and you can drop your questions below this video. Thank you. Wish you best of luck.